All right, welcome back. Too Tall Toby, 240309. This is a Tier 5 part called the lift strut. We are in grams, and let's jump in. So I'm going to start with the bottom part, the nice cylinders. Just going to do an extrude on the top plane. Just a circle. Got a diameter in the top view, it's 38. I want to flip this the other direction and a depth of 36 that is shown in the front view. Quick little clear appearance thing here. Actually, hang on, there we go. Okay, so now we're going to add another extrude. We're going to place it on the bottom, and this time we're going to add some concentric circles. So we'll select the outside circle, and we'll just put a couple of circles in here associated with them. Middle click to finish that. The center hole has a diameter of 20. The next circle out is 28. And there we go. All right. So we want to flip the other way, which means we're going to remove material. We want to go a depth of 30. Again, from the right side view. Looks good. All right, to make this top portion, we do want to make sure it kind of follows this outer circle shape. So I'm going to extrude from the top. And actually, I'm going to do a center rectangle. And we'll make it tangent. And this is 9. But I don't want those portions. So let's actually do a circle as well. We got a lot to trim. So let's use this trim tool. And we're going to trim here, here. Same thing up at the top. So we just kind of drag through there. We've got way too many dimensions. All right. Okay. So I want the dimension as the width. All right. That looks good. We got there. Height coming up. We are not given it, but we know that we have 36 and then 70. So this dimension is 70 minus 36. Okay. And now we can add some geometry to that face. Okay. We got a hole in the center here. Diameter is 20. And it's located 51 from the bottom. We also have an arc. Actually, let's do that as a separate feature. So let's flip and through all. And let's do this top feature not as a round because we need to kind of follow this shape here. So let's do that as a revolve. We're going to sketch that on front plane. Use an axis of revolution right on top of this axis here. Don't think I got that. Let's try that again. There we go. I'm going to use a center point arc. I think I got the wrong, I think I delete that one. There we go. I need this to have a radius of 19. All right, and we're going to flip outside and remove material. All right, it's not very happy with me right now. There we go. Isn't that beautiful? So when you're doing, most of the time with revolves, we do 360 degrees, but we don't have to do 360 degrees. So we've got options here, but you can type in anything. If I had left it on variable, I could have done one side or the other. When I switch it to symmetric, it's happy. Okay. All right, let's add in a few rounds with a radius of 4, I believe. Yes. And then add the hole. So the hole's going to go right here. So the radial hole placement type is, oh, wrong tool. The radial hole placement type is one of my favorites. It means that we don't have to create a plane and a tangent and all of that stuff. We're going to go through all. Our offset surface is going to be the right plane, and we'll set that angle to 0. A lot of times I like to use the drag handles. However, in this case, I don't have my planes turned on, so I just selected the first one. I could just select the second one as well, but I'd have to hold down Control. All right. So there's our lift strut. It's looking pretty good. Let's see how we did. Steel. Let's try our answer. Hey, we got it. Awesome. So tier 5, the nuance here is this round around the outside. You'll notice if I show you here this yellow surface, I tried to simulate that and I got an interesting error. I guess you'd call it an error. That I can't just get the inside. So there's a whole other video just about applying appearances if you're curious about the nuances or quirks in Creo about applying appearances. All right, thanks.